Last week we were all watching Wind Guru seaweed, and we knew that these big waves were coming over the weekend, 16, 17 September. And I was getting anxiety attacks. I was happy in one place and then also scared. And Saturday morning early, I was up. Now I want to tell you about the Gopro story. It's like, believe it or not, but it's true. You'll see on this chart, this photo I got, the yellow line is where I caught the wave from supers, there in the top of supers, just past impossibles, and I cut out there. Obviously the Jack Russell and me wanted the first wave in the set. Big mistake. Was a 4-wave set. The second wave caught me and fumbled me. Third wave broke the GoPro. Now if you follow that red line, that was the GoPro's route. The blue line was me getting dragged by those other 3 sets after it. And I only washed out at point and I paddled back. And I saw there was only 2 or 3 guys out at point, and I surfed there further. But while that wave dragged me, I felt the GoPro broke loose. That red line was 51 minutes it took the GoPro to wash out. So once I got out at lower point, I thought, maybe I must go look for my GoPro. And then I got this voice inside me. It says, don't worry about your GoPro. If the Lord wants you to have a GoPro, it will be there when you walk out. That's what I believed in my little brain. Now, yes, I know that is bull dust for people, but I got this other sense in me that I know. I don't believe it. I know it's there. So I surfed another 8 waves because I always want 10 waves before I go out. Except at supers, you'll get 3 or 4. But down there at point, I could manage at least another 8 waves. When I paddled out, sorry, correction. I didn't paddle out. When I surfed out, I didn't paddle out. No, I don't. When I surfed out, as I walked out there at the beach by that point, you'll see there's my GoPro lying, waiting for me. Believe it or not, it's true. Enjoy.